not the Lashley fear. It is my divine power.
What's up? Papa up in the house. Yeah, man. So, check it out. Got the alternator in. Get all good. Plenty enough of amperage. Both of them are set at 14.8, internally regulated. So we should be good there. If you've been on my Instagram, you'll probably already seen that I updated my doors somewhat. Added 2 more speakers in here, well, tweeters. And let's go ahead and cut this on real quick. Put those in. I extended it all the way over here and made this piece to match the enclosure. And of course, you already know about the lights in here. I also did lights right here. Check that out. And I also added 2 horns. So I removed the 125.4, and then now they're all running on 2 250.4s. And for what it is, these 2 things, they actually sound pretty good. Had it on the interstate and folks could hear me all the way at the lake. They were like, what is that noise? Like, dang, what is that noise? You gonna eat your food or you gonna growl at me? All right. Don't eat your food. Better not growl at me. Don't bite the hand that feeds you, bro. Here's the alternator I said I was gonna give away because I'm that kind of dude. So it's a CES 300 amp, 14.6 volt alternator, internally regulated. Nothing wrong with this thing. Worked very well. But I don't need it, so I'm gonna give it away to somebody on my channel that actually did all the legwork. This guy subscribed. He made his subscription public. He also gave me a video on his channel, put a video on his channel proving that he had a Trailblazer. Followed all the instructions, right? And I had already made a video and did it in real time typing that he was the winner. But Mr. Rob P, you are the winner of this beautiful alternator. Make sure that you are following my channel. Make sure that you are keeping up with everything that's going on. It's a small channel doing big things. Appreciate all the support and all of my subscribers, all of you. Make sure you stay tuned to that. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, get me all up in your feed, and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and shoot, man. That's it. Peace out.